Hey folks, Mark Scroggins with Scroggins Law Group, and before we get into these Q&As, want to remind everybody that this is just providing a general answer to questions that are posed by our listenership and viewership out there. So at no time does that create an attorney-client relationship between you and me or between you and any member of Scroggins Law Group. So hope these questions are good for you and it answers some of the questions that you got. What assets, debts, and property is considered during a divorce? Any marital property, any community property that you own is going to be subject to division. If it is not divided in the divorce, it is subject to division down the road. So make sure you've got a true list of everything that you and your spouse own when it gets down to the division of the marital estate.